Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic shaping the future of technology, edge computing. What is it? How does it differ from cloud computing? And why is it crucial for improving data processing speeds and reducing latency? Edge computing processes data closer to where it's generated, unlike cloud computing, which relies on centralized data centers. This edge can be devices like smart cameras, Internet of Things sensors, or local servers. First, reduce latency. By processing data locally, edge computing minimizes travel time, crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles and real-time video analytics. Second, improved reliability. Local devices can operate efficiently even if the internet connection is slow or interrupted. Third, bandwidth efficiency. Edge computing reduces the data sent to the cloud, easing network load and saving costs. Think of smart cities where traffic lights and surveillance systems respond instantly to changing conditions. Or in healthcare, where wearable devices monitor patients' vital signs in real time and alert doctors immediately if something's wrong. Edge computing is a game changer for real-time data processing. It reduces latency, improves reliability, enhances security, and optimizes bandwidth. As our world becomes increasingly connected, edge computing will play a pivotal role in the technology landscape.